Welcome to .NET Technology video series. Today we will understand the concept of applying inheritance concept to the Windows form. Means visual inheritance concept today we will discuss. Inheritance is a technique for providing reusability. It is generally applied to classes for inheriting and reusing the property and features of the base class or parent class. Inheritance is also possible in case of GUI Windows form that we will see over here. You can use the concept of inheritance for you using GUI part. You need to make a form which will serve as a parent form. This form should have the common property and control which are used in those form who will inherit it from parent form. Now you are requested to just concentrate on the step which we are going to perform over here. First of all, from the file menu, new project, in the Visual C Sharp Windows selection and select Windows Form application. If you want to give any of the name over here, then you can specify, otherwise just adapt the name by default which is provided by it and click OK. Creating procedure is going over here and your form is in front of us. So in Solution Explorer there is only one form of designing. Just design it as per your requirement. Here I am putting button, print the message parent form from the property. To set the property, you have to right click on that control and select property, and from that there is one of property, text property. You can set, it will display the text to the user. Then just double click it, and on the coding portion we are going to display one of the message at the time of clicking. Message box dot show, this is parent form. One parent form is ready. Now we are going to add another Windows form. You have to add here inherited form. How you will get it? Just right click on your application in Solution Explorer and click on add new item. Then after you will get this window. Click on Windows form and you will find out the inherited form. Just click OK. If you are adding the inherited form first time, then you have to remember one thing, that your application must be built previously, so that that inherited form will used that form 1 or your parent form's DLL, or we can merge or inherit that form with this inherited form. With this entire procedure will be follow with the help of inheritance picker dialog box. So first here we are now going to build our application. Just build it, then again after that we are going to add the inherited form. Just edit. So now you are able to see the form 1. Just select it. So here you can see that it's a form 2 design, but form 1 entire property is already present over here. Now just add another button in the second form, child form. Just click it and printing the message, it's a child form. Message box dot so it's a child form. Just click it, and now we are going to execute it. By default, form 1 is gives you output, it's a parent form, you can see that. But if you want to execute second form instead of first form, then just change the form 1 to form 2. Just execute it. You can see that it's a parent form, it's a child form. In second form, what we have done, we have just add only one button and just write the code of second button. Then also it will give us output of both parent and child. This is happen only because of we are applying here the concept of visual inheritance. Without it, it can't be possible such kind of things. So I hope you understand and you remember the steps how we can apply the inheritance in a Windows application which known as a visual inheritance. Thank you for watching this video.